everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to remove subscription on TikTok. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is click on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down to find report a problem. This one, so tap on that. Scroll down and find subscriptions. This one. Now tap on managing your subscriptions and click on how to cancel an auto renewal subscription. And here's the step that you can follow to cancel your subscription. So there are two ways you can cancel your subscription on TikTok. First is the specific creators community, and then go to benefits page in profile, then go to purchased content, and then tap on subscriptions and tap on cancel subscription. Step number 2 is go to your Google Play or Apple Store and manage your subscription there. And that's it, everyone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!